kami na. Sana all. We're unlucky. We are the last one. We're the last one to go. Wow. Are you kidding? Hi guys. So we're now in the boat. Look at that.
Använda den surfmängd som ingår i ditt abonnemang utan att det kostar extra. Dock max 100 GB, även samtal, sms och MMS ingår. Du ringer utan kostnad till lokala nummer i Norge och hem till Sverige. Glöm inte att använda landsnummer. Läs mer på Telenor se utomlands. Trevlig resa önskar Telenor.
Tack Telenor. What is this, honey? It interrupts, all yeah. Wraps, oh. It's another place in the Bulbo. It's another. You are found in another location. the boat. So this has to ride or last stati boaten. There's a boat there, hon. Is it just come? Okay.
Vänta någon timme här kanske.
So guys, look at that. There's so many cars that are waiting also to ride on the boat. So we have to wait here. So here's the other boat that we are going to ride on. Just arrive, and hopefully we can already on that boat because they're still first in the queue before us. So let's see if we also can on this boat. It has been said that it's supposed to be raining. It was raining when we start from Sweden. This is a road trip to Norway, and we are here on the boat, on the ferry to cross over. We will ride on the ferry. So hello guys, hello Barnen. Hi Erika, what you doing? We are already coming. Say hi. Hi Lala Angelica. So it's a long drive guys, 10 to 12 hours to Egerson, Stavanger. See you Cici Jen from Tongo Traveler. We're coming. Hey honey. Hey. I don't think if so ayan guys. So ano na, parang hindi kami makarga niyan. I don't think if sana makarga pa kami, pero let's see guys. Fingers. So it's so nice weather guys. So nice weather. Yes, our lines also is with this ferry. I think guys, our line is the last line to come up on this ferry. This line here will wait to another. Wilkin Ut. We are unlucky, we are the last one. So we will be the first one maybe to, we are the last one to go. Wow. Are you kidding? It stops from here. Our boat is coming, honey. So there you are, guys.
Så,
But you said the other boat is coming, honey?
Jag ser den.
Huh?
Jag ser den.
Where?
Ja.
Our boat anyway is, there's another boat is coming. So it's not so long waiting in Alafal. So it's going out.
Vänd möjligt och kör tillbaka.
What?
Rutten del inkluderar färjor.
So we're coming. Go na, go na. Yay! So there's the gun, guys. There's the boat. They're there, all sitting there. So nice kaayo ang panahon. The weather is so kind to us today. So to catch this beautiful view, it's supposed to be raining, but in that area there, look at that, it's raining. Watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and click that little notification bell. Please consider to smash that like button. Tack så mycket!